friends, Trisha here from the Freedom Hill Kitchen. Today, yes, we're going to go under the boys' bathroom cabinet. Under the boys' bathroom cabinet. Yes. I'm gonna clean it out, gonna organize it, and take you along for this ride. Prepare yourselves. And empty out the entire cabinet and each basket as I went. Now keep in mind my arms, as the rest of me, my arms are very short, so I have a little trouble reaching a few things, but you'll see. I manage it. I always do. I removed denture cleaner. My boys do not have dentures. They use the denture cleaner to clean their retainers from having their braces. So that's what that was all about. Now it gets a little interesting because I can't reach things. And so I use the bin as a tool to reach the last few things in the cupboard. Us short girls, we have to get creative very often. I found a lot of toothbrushes that were still in packaging and toothbrush holders, so I had to deal with them too. I took a few wipes to wipe down the bins and to put them back inside so I could get started with the reorganizing. You'll see me move these around quite a bit so I can determine the best arrangement and how things are going to fit back in there. I discovered that this liquid soap, I had 2 bottles of it. Both were open. One was almost gone. So sorry about seeing my elbows there all the time, but I had to empty one of these containers of soap into the other to maximize space, of course. Often that's what happens when things get jumbled in there, and I'm not the one that puts things away in here very often. So they get jumbled in there, and then I buy duplicates. So today I'm taking care of that problem. Now I will start putting things back in, arrange them how they're going to work best. I will go back in later and clean the bottom of this cupboard, but for this video I just couldn't reach it and it was difficult, so I just left it. It's a little bit dusty, but I'll clean that up later. So I just began to put things back in where they would fit, how they're used, to determine where they're going to go. A few things did get thrown away, and a few other things got relocated. You might remember we're moving soon. Many of you know that. We're moving to Charlotte, North Carolina as soon as Freedom Hill sells. So this will streamline things for the move as well. And there we have it. It looks so much prettier. Thank you so much for coming along.